How to add links to TikTok bio. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Pimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can add a link onto your TikTok bio. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure that you have updated the TikTok app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've updated TikTok, now I'm going to generally go ahead and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you're logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. Now, what you have to do is, in order to add a link to our bio, from the very bottom right, tap on the profile icon in order to go to our profile page. As in my case, you can see I have not added any type of bio. Now, before we add a link to TikTok bio, you have to understand what kind of link you want to add in the first place. There are generally two types of link which you can add onto your TikTok profile. The one is the clickable link, for which you would need to add the link onto the website section. The other is the unclickable link, which you will not be able to click it. You'd have to copy and paste it onto your browser in order to go ahead and then click that particular link. Now, first of all, let me go ahead and discuss the clickable link. The clickable link, how it works is that if you have over 1,000 followers, on the clickable link is only available if you have over 1,000 followers. You would have to tap on the edit profile button, and over here you'll be able to find the option which says website. After you enable 1,000 followers, or let's say some amount of followers which you have, you'll be able to enable the website option. If you add a link to that website box and then you save it, basically it is going to be clickable. However, in case you do not have 1,000 followers, there is also a way on how you can add a link, but in that case the link is not going to be clickable, and that is simply the only downside of it. So tap on edit profile button and you'll find this option which says bio. Over here you could basically go ahead and then paste a particular link which you want to save to your account. Once you paste that link, tap on the save button and you'll be able to see it on your bio section. But the only downside remaining, as I said you, is that it will not be clickable. So if you have over 1,000 followers, you can add a clickable link. If you have less than 1,000 followers, you will not be able to add a clickable link, but you can still add a link on your TikTok bio. This was it. This is the way on how you can add a link to your TikTok bio. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.